Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to block spam calls. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to open your phone calls and then tap on this three dots right here. Once you tap this three dots, you should see options such as settings. So you have to click that one. Once you tap on settings, you have to scroll down till you see this incoming calls, and all you have to do is tap on set rules. Here on set rules, you can see different options such as block calls, block messages, blacklist, allow list, blacklist notifications, and all you have to do is tap on block calls. Once you tap this block calls, you can see here all the calls that you have blocked. So you can turn on block calls here from any SIM that you want. So for example, for SIM 1, I want to turn on block all calls from unknown numbers. So you need to toggle this one on and then tap turn on. There are also other options such as schedule blocking and do not block repeated calls. You can turn this one on. You can also turn on block calls from private numbers or block one ring calls. Everything is up to you. So basically, that's how you block spam calls from unknown callers or from anyone. Here on block list, you can see all the numbers that you have blocked, and you can enter another number to include on your block list. Just add here, tap on add. And basically, these are the ways on how to block spam calls. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.